Okay, I was going to clean the car, but I really don't have any microfibers. Changing the tie rod ends last minute and getting alignment was a really bad idea, but I mean, it's the only thing we could do. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna set up and see what we can do. So, I have 2 microfibers left. We use those ones. I think this one has Rain-X on it. This one has McGuire's polishing, so we're gonna work with it. Right here, we already have the banner that we got from Keelish. Shout out to Keelish for a sick banner. We're gonna order another one, but it's gonna be cloth, so we can actually have it as a flag. Probably have it on one of these wheels. I'm gonna wheel a stand that I'm able to drive over on one of these right here. And right here, we have the OG stand that has the whole display of Sally and all of our specs and all that kind. As you can see, these are really throwback pictures. This is the first LS that we had. That's the blown up one right there. But yeah, I'm gonna get to cleaning, get to work. Polished, not polished. Now it's a polished turd. Alright guys, we finally have Sally cleaned up. We're going to be taking the hood off at the car show tomorrow. But registration, all that set up. I have my wristbands. Yeah, we're going to go hitch a ride from Bay and do a quick walk around. We still have about 15 minutes till she gets here, but yeah. Yeah, I really wanted one of these as a kid. Hold on. Oh! This is a wet dream right here. I wanted both of these as a kid. Just love the lines, look at that. And the cutout right here just for a full race. I was trying to scare you, but you're...
I can see you.
You saw her.
The trunk's open.
I just kissed her. Kiss Babe. Thanks for driving, babe. Babe picked us up. Now we're gonna go...
I don't know where. I want to try Shaquille O'Neal's restaurant.
You know what? I love this auto. I should have been using this Zeiss lens a long time ago. Oh, fuck, this makes everything look hella beautiful. Beautiful woman, lady, is here. It's my Uber driver. Thanks. And yeah, now we're heading to check out that restaurant. It's across the way. Chex? Shaquille's. So, does Shaquille O'Neal own it?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Shaquille's. Alright, per usual, had a bomb-ass dinner, and now we're gonna get some dessert.
Yeah.
I don't know, Bae always has this weird thing where she wants to go outside and get dessert outside, somewhere else. She told me her rationale is because it's cheaper.
Restaurant dessert is so expensive.
Oh my gosh. You like your ice cream, baby? What'd you get?
Chocolate.
Oh,
10 out of 10.
better than the fried chicken? Boy, you crazy.
I give the fried chicken a 6 out of 10.
You know what? I think Shaquille's chicken was actually pretty fire. Yeah, we're gonna have to debate this. We're gonna have to settle this debate. We're gonna get some Jollibees on the way home. You know?
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know if I'm too full for that, but maybe tomorrow. Alright. We're gonna head home from LA back to Rancho and see you guys at the show tomorrow, alright? Bow. Alright guys, it's the next day. We're leaving from Jolene's house. Today Monday.
It's a mess in the trunk, don't look at me.
It's a mess in the trunk, but she looks amazing. Look at that. Representing Beyond the Build.
Yay.
Beyond the Build all day, man. So yeah, we're gonna head out there, set up, we got our chairs, yeah, get to driving. And water. Water is life.
Always bring water to the car show. Don't pay $10 for a bottle.
Major key to success. Alright guys, we're actually in now, the tuner show. Sally's all set up. I finally had some time to take off the hood, pop the trunk. So right here we have our trunk set up. I think we're gonna put some lights actually. I have a light over here on this side. Flashed up over here. But I think it's bright enough already. There goes Sally. Right here we have our magazine set up. Beep. That's fine. Here's Bay. Bay AF. Okay, so this 240 right here, I've been following him on YouTube. Fidel from Offbeat Garage. He does pretty much everything in this zone. So seeing another YouTuber do work on their own car instead of just sending to a shop, have someone else do it, you know, really inspirational. It's built quite a bit of following on YouTube as well too. So, you know, the funny thing is, as soon as I saw this, I knew who it was. Oh my gosh, slow Jen! Oh my gosh, slow Jen! Slow Jen! Ah! Dude, I love your work. I love your photography work, man. Is it right here? This idol right here. Great photographer. And he's our fan, Dawson? Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Perfect.
Hey, put your wingspan, like, open your arms. Look, you're even wider. Look. This thing is small. This thing's like really tiny.
It's so little. I get like deadlift.
Bet. Wait, no. Bet. This is actually really clean. You look blind. Oh, you went for like rally looking at it. Damn.
Baby.
Perfect.
Oh gosh, it's so good.
Alright guys, so we're actually on a fry tour. We've tried
Fries and French fries.
fries and French fries.
Specifically garlic fries.
Okay.
Garlic fries specifically, because that's how we started at Tom's Urban, which they weren't that great. They're okay.
You know, those fries were, it felt like they were like McDonald's fries,
Garlic
with
powder.
just some garlic powder and that kind of just tossed it around, and I was like, this is a really mediocre fries.
Yeah.
So now we're actually here at Smashburger. We're gonna try Smashburger first.
Look, we're playing a game.
Playing a game, so explain the game, man.
So our game is whoever can guess the price of what our whole order is closer wins, and they don't have to pay for the next one. So loser has to pay for the next one.
And guess what? I lost this round.
Well, you won the first one.
I won the first round. I won the first round of the last one, but this one I lost. So
But we're really close.
we're really close. But
What was my guess?
you guessed it was
21. And you guessed 20.
I guess 20.
And then it was $20.77.
That's okay. I'll pay for your yard house, but because I'm gonna get a yard drink on Fern. We'll send. Contender number 2, but the first time recording it.
We didn't record one because it wasn't that great anyway.
Yeah, you know, the first one was really garbage. Then we came up with the idea, but Smash Burger is fire. So, well,
I've never been here.
actually, me too. I've never been, so. You know, it actually looks way better than the first options. Okay, so we're actually at Yard House, and now we're gonna try their garlic fries.
Yeah, we also got chicken tenders, so we're not only eating fries. There's actual garlic on here. Okay. There's actual garlic. You taste the garlic.
Alright, hands down, Yard House always
Has the best fries.
always has the best fries, especially the garlic fries.
So full.
Don't at me if you think Carl's Jr., if you think McDonald's has better fries. In-N-Out's pretty good, but you know what?
In-N-Out fries are trash.
Don't at me, but In-N-Out fries. Alright guys, real quick, I want to say hi to one of my idols on YouTube, Mr. Adele from Offbeat Garage. I'm talking to one of his homies right now, but I see the person. Oh hell yeah! Offbeat Garage. What's up, man? Steven. Nice to meet you. Love your build. Adele, Steven. Yeah, I had that shirt too. Anti-BABA Club. I got the same club. I respect you. I love you. Follow YouTube. Everything's awesome, man. And you know, it's really inspirational. Start on YouTube too. Be on the build, but you know, this is Offbeat Garage. Really cool dude. I love his content. And yeah, and
That's your seat, right?
yeah, that's my over there.
Yeah, I saw that. I was like, God damn.
It's like, who is this Filipino?
Who is this boy?
Who does an LS swap on a Z?
It looks pretty good though.
Oh,
I
thank
think check it out for it.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Is that blue carbon?
Yeah, it's blue carbon fiber. There you go. That's the lady titty. There you go. That's a clean fitment. That's one saucy boy. That's not even 2 saucy boys. That's 1 saucy boy, fam.
Yeah,
Chris-
check out good aesthetic and bad taste.
There you go. That's clean AF. Christmas came early, fam.
That's right.
Oh. Hi.
Hi.
Steven.
Emelia.
Pleasure to meet you.
Likewise.
Wait, I know you on YouTube. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh, I'm meeting all the YouTubers right now. Like, I'm starstruck right now, to be honest. My heart. You know, on Netflix, you got the jump. You know, respect.
I did.
You know what?
I thought so too.
LS Swap fam. We have the LS Swap 50 over here. But I was like, is that Nissan? Is that a drift car? Wait a minute, you dragging that? And I was like, congrats. So I love that launch. That was clean.
Thank you.
I don't care what anyone says, man. That's a W right there. That's a win. That's a win,
In
fam.
my book, that's all that matters. The family comes together and we pull out for that W.
No, but I
That's right. That's right. All right, now this is awards. Pack up Sally. Everything's closed up, so just headed towards the main stage right now. We'll see what's up. GG. Well, Sally didn't get it, but that's okay. Met out here, met a lot of cool people, got a lot of cool interviews, and something us on Blue Sound too. We're gonna get later on. Oh, that's a ball.
Until you are told to do so, security has to clear everyone out. Congratulations to all the
Fire. At least where they can see you. All right, there you go. This is my check it out. This is my angle right here. Does that look good? No. Right here.
Once again,
All right,
do not
check it out.
start your vehicles
This is my angle from here.
until you're told to do so.
All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. See you guys in the next episode.
All right, also, 2 minutes